Alright guys, so we're headed to this new theater in Birmingham. Looks pretty nice. Ooh, BJ, I love this. Okay, cool. That got the like little nice bar thing. You can buy tickets. Black and blue.
Senior citizen.
Running time.
Senior citizen.
Hold on. Oh, what time is? Oh, dang it! It started at 4:25. Well, I wanted to watch Black and Blue, but the info is stating that 7:15, and she wants to watch Harriet, which is at 5 o'clock, which is 20 minutes away. So it looks like we're stuck with Harriet.
How much is it?
I don't know. I'm gonna pick our seats. Where you wanna go? Where you wanna sit? Pick your seat. No, mine is too close.
Okay, so anyway, so I'm going to be senior. Let's see what the seniors say.
And where you want me to sit?
What now? Next to me.
I'm a child. I'm an adult. Go ahead. All right, finish. Nice. I like the little popcorn. Cute. At your station. We about to watch Harriet.
Can I press this?
Yeah.
I got it.
Ten. What's our seat number? I forgot already.
Montgomery County, Kentucky. Winchester County. But the ancestors were actually here. And I was seeing those tombs and everything they had and the names and the stories behind it. And it was just a short, quick trip. And I was like feeling it. I love it. I'm coming back.
Thank you for spending the day with me and my mom. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we really enjoy ourselves.